Shout out everyone. Again, good morning. Kulang talaga yung araw ko pag hindi ako makapag-shout out sa inyo ng good morning. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm going work, going work now every day. This is my daily journey. So, I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share. Thank you. Magandang umaga sa mga tao sa Pilipinas. Love you all. I love you. Please. Yes. Bye. I'm going now in the work. So I close the door and that my fish. Small fish. Small fish. Okay. Thank you very much. I love you. Sa mga